Welcome to this Pason Minute. Portable Trace Views is Pason's way to take your screens anywhere. By saving your layout to a USB or the RigShare file, you can have your desired trace layout without having to set it every time on a new workstation. First, navigate to the Views section at the bottom of the EDR. From there, you can customize your view however you want. Add and subtract columns and rows, or change colors and shortcuts. Then save your view to a USB stick, a file on the local computer, or onto the RigShare service to access it across the RigShare site. After saving, open the list of trace views to select a previously saved view or create a new one. Whenever you select a new view, the screen immediately reflects the preset settings. If you want to take your setup view with you, navigate to the Import/Export button, then click Export to your desired location. Remember, if you make changes to your view, you'll have to save and export it again.